Hey there, I'm just leaving Palm Springs. I was down here to give a presentation I just finished, and now I'm heading to the airport. And I was just thinking while I was driving that I would leave you with a quick message or a tip for speaking. If you have any desire to be a speaker, be on stage, presenting, and you want to be effective, then here's one thing I do that helps me stay present, helps me give my best message, right? And stay in flow.
You already know. My passion and my mission to help you unleash your greatness within. My heart goes out to the underdogs that's on their way. If you think you can go from good to great, okay, let's motivate. GreatnessWithin.com. TJ Hoisington. GreatnessWithin.com.
And that is one thing I do an hour before I give a presentation. Although I've reviewed the concepts and ideas that I want to share ahead of time, anytime I work with a client, I probably spend at least 8 hours thinking about what I'm going to talk about, what points do I want to share with the group, what needs do they have, and so forth. Once I've done all that research, an hour before I give the presentation on the day of the event, I will take a little card just like that, no bigger than that, just a little 3x5 card, and I will write down my top points and distinctions that I want to share, right? And it's just bullet point. And then what I'll do with that card is I will put it away. I'll put it in my bag. I'll put it in the sleeve of my journal. I'll put it in my back pocket. And I will never, ever pull that note card out on stage when I'm speaking. You know what this allows me to do? It allows me neurologically, it allows me to bring to the front of my mind the key points that I want to share by writing it down an hour before or 30 minutes before, just in bullet point. And then it allows me to be present with the audience because I'm not reading from something from the front of the stage. When you read something, you lose your audience. So the one thing you want to make sure is that you keep it fresh in your mind by writing it down, just a bullet point, right? Your 5 different points, and then get up there and speak from your heart. Speak from what you're thinking and what you're feeling. And by and large, most of the time, if you've done this process, those 5 points or 4 points or 3 points that you wanted to get across, you will get across. You won't miss them when you get up and give your presentation. And you're able to connect with your audience because you're not creating a barrier with your audience by having to look down and read something. Keep your head up and look to your audience and speak. And what comes to you, what impressions you have, hey, go there, share it with your audience. All right, I wish you the best. I hope that was helpful. Now go unleash your greatness within.